Hey, welcome back to another video of editing basics. In this video we are going to learn how to customize text in GetStencil. First of all, go to getstencil.com in your preferred web browser and log in using your credentials. Now from the template section, select template or start with a blank canvas. You can add or select text in the canvas here. If the template already has text, you can click on the text box to select it. To add a new text, click on this new text tab and the new text will appear. Now click on the text box to edit. Type your desired text here. While the text is selected, you can edit its size from here. And you can also change its line height. You can also use the drop shadow on this. Click on the color icon to open the color, where you can select from preset color or use a custom color. You can add italic or you can also add underline to it. You can align it by these three options. After that, review your customer's text for alignment and styling. Once satisfied, save or download your design. These steps should help you tailor text to match your style in GetStencil. So that is how you can customize text. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel and comment down if you have any queries.